As a small manufacturer, limited resources make manual tasks like scheduling and inventory tracking tough. ERP software can help. In today's video, we'll explore the top manufacturing ERP for 2024 to help automate operations and grow your business. Hi, I'm Jeff Budiak with Software Connect, your trusted partner for software reviews, research, and recommendations. Our research shows that 15.9% of potential ERP buyers are primarily motivated to automate their operations. The good news, 95% of businesses that implement ERP report big improvements on process efficiencies and productivity. That's huge if you're a small company. Today, we'll break down the best manufacturing solutions in 2024. In today's video, we'll explore top software options to automate your workflows. If you're a small manufacturer, you'll likely operate in sectors like food and beverage, metal fabrication, textiles, or wood and plastics. It's less common to find small operations in automotive, aerospace, or electronics. Generally speaking, you might have fewer than 100 employees in food and beverage or under 50 in a machine shop. You face unique automation and efficiency challenges, making the right ERP solution essential. Feeling overwhelmed by your choices? With unique challenges in each industry, selecting the right ERP solution is crucial. Let us help you find the best fit for your needs and budget. Get your free consultation by clicking the link in the description or visiting softwareconnect.com. First up, we have Deacom, designed specifically for food and beverage manufacturers. It's well known for its lot tracking and traceability tools. These help automate inventory control and compliance, helping you deal with perishable goods and strict compliance requirements. Plus, it uses first expired, first out inventory management to reduce waste and use ingredients effectively. Deacom's bidirectional traceability lets you monitor every product's journey both forward and backwards, simplifying the management of recalls when necessary. As your business grows, Deacom can scale right along with you, supporting your full compliance and tracking needs seamlessly. For smaller manufacturers, we recommend the newly introduced Deacom Essentials, starting at $500 per month. If you need more advanced features, you should go for the main version of Deacom, starting at $5,000 per month. This pricing structure makes the software accessible to smaller operations and provides a clear growth path as businesses expand. Then we have JobBOSS², our top pick for small job shops. This software simplifies scheduling with a user-friendly drag-and-drop board. You can easily move tiles around to prioritize tasks based upon urgencies, due dates, or available resources. It's especially useful for managing custom production runs or multiple jobs all at once. For more detailed planning, the whiteboard feature takes your machine capabilities into account. You can drag and drop jobs based upon the current load and availability of each machine. JobBOSS² also warns you of any looming issues like overdue jobs through visual indicators like color-coded alerts. This dynamic scheduling view is responsive to shifting job floor conditions and makes it easier to spot potential bottlenecks. JobBOSS² does not publish its pricing online. We estimate that it starts at $3,000 per year with flexible options for monthly subscriptions. However, costs can vary based upon your user count, implementation complexity, ongoing support, and customizations. Next up is DELMIAWorks, our top pick for plastics and rubber manufacturers. Its real-time process monitoring system integrates with your injection molding and extrusion systems using sensors. From there, it tracks key metrics like cycle times, pressure, and temperature. This helps you monitor production performance and spots issues before they escalate. You can set lower and upper limits for certain parameters. If a machine goes outside the acceptable range, DELMIAWorks will alert you via SMS or email. That way, you can make adjustments before defects occur or downtime hits. For small manufacturers with complex machinery, DELMIAWorks can be a real game changer. Just keep in mind that the setup can take some time, especially if you have custom equipment. DELMIAWorks is approximately $250 per user per month with a minimum of 5 users. However, the exact pricing details aren't publicly available. That's where we come in. At Software Connect, we specialize in helping small manufacturers like you find solutions that fit your budget. Our team can provide custom quotes tailored to your specific needs. Just follow the link in the description or visiting softwareconnect.com to schedule your free consultation today. Let's move on to the fourth ERP on our list, xTuple, a cost-effective option starting at approximately $175 per user per month. The pricing can vary based upon whether you choose cloud or on-premise hosting and any additional support packages you might need. Pricing is based on named users or how many users access the system at the same time, with a 5-user minimum for the manufacturing edition. What's great about xTuple is its surprising range of features despite its low cost. Its MRP tool in particular help automate inventory management. The system ensures that you have just the right amount of raw materials and subassemblies on hand, helping you avoid delays. Plus, You can fine-tune MRP with planner codes that set specific handling rules for materials like reordering points, lead times, and lot sizes. xTuple supports discrete process, made-to-order, and engineer-to-order production. But it doesn't handle production matrices, so if you're in manufacturing apparel, you might want to consider a more specialized option like Apparel Magic. Finally, let's talk about Odoo, the most customizable ERP on our list. You can start with a single module, such as manufacturer or inventory management, and scale up as your business grows. Plus, Odoo's community version is free and open source, meaning you can access and adjust the code. It's a great way to save costs if you have an in-house development team that can handle upkeep. If you want Odoo-backed support and more advanced features like quality management, go for the enterprise plan at $38.90 per user per month. You'll have access to Odoo Studio, which lets you customize workflows, add fields, and automate notifications, like setting up alerts if an order falls behind schedule. Just keep in mind that integrating multiple modules may take some extra setup time, so always good to plan ahead. Those are just 5 of our top ERP picks for small manufacturers. If you want to see options tailored to your needs, whether you're in direct-to-consumer or chemical manufacturing, be sure to check out the full roundup on our website. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. And if you're still exploring options for your manufacturing business, our team is here to help you find the perfect fit. Just click on the link in the description or visit softwareconnect.com for a free consultation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.